This review is of Nature Valley Sweet and Salty Cashew Nut Granola Bars. Okay. Nutrition facts for you. And the ingredients include cashews, almonds, milk, peanuts, soy. There may even be macadamia and pecans. And it has bioengineered food ingredients, in other words, GMO. That's interesting. As does the one that I previously reviewed for Nature Valley, which was the peanut butter dark chocolate. I didn't notice that, sorry. Well, let's go ahead and give it the old taste test. Oh, interesting. So it's got some kind of a fake white chocolate crap, which I am not fond of. Not very chewy. I do enjoy plain cashews because they are sweet, slightly sweet. I like them without salt. Something like that. Or this, the sweetness of the white chocolate is really kind of ruining the flavor of the cashews. I just don't get it. Oh well. To me, this is kind of more of a generic kind of cereal bar instead of a cashew cereal bar. So it's disappointing, but you may like it. Thanks for watching and have a great day.